Hola, hola! Welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified, registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today's video is entitled How to Say I Have to Go in Spanish. But before that, I would like to extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my channel. I upload free videos every week. Click the red button, subscribe. And if you would like to support and help the channel, you can click on the thanks button. You can contribute $2 or more, but it's completely voluntary. Thank you so much for your help. Muy bien, comencemos. Let's begin. Me tengo que ir. I have to go. Me tengo. I have to. Me tengo que ir. I have to go. Me tengo que ir. Let's see a few examples. Perdón, me tengo que ir. I'm sorry, I have to go. Perdón, me tengo que ir. Perdón, me tengo que ir. I'm sorry, I have to go. Let's see a few more applications. Me tengo que ir pronto. That means I have to go soon. Soon, pronto. Me tengo que ir pronto. Me tengo que ir pronto. Can you say it? Siguiente, next one. Today, I have to go. Hoy, me tengo que ir. Hoy means today. Hoy, me tengo que ir. Do not pronounce the H. The H is silent. Hoy, me tengo que ir. Otro ejemplo, another example. Me tengo que ir, ya es tarde. I have to go, it's already late. Me tengo que ir, I have to go, ya es tarde. That means it's already late. Me tengo que ir, ya es tarde. One more example. I have to go quickly. Me tengo que ir rápido. Me tengo que ir rápido. Oh no, there is the I again. El ojo. Me tengo que ir rápido. That's an internal joke, guys. If you've been watching my videos, you probably know what it is. Muy bien, amigos. Thank you so much once again for watching my videos. Please subscribe. You will help the channel immensely. And if you want to support the channel, you can click on the thanks heart and contribute $2, less than a cup of coffee a month. You will help me tremendously to continue uploading more videos for you. Thank you very much. I got a surprise. One of those videos that you enjoy to relax and learn Spanish. It's coming up very soon. Nos vemos, amigos. Take care and see you soon. Adiós.